Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to work in phonology. The page is the page number 22, spelling lesson number 2. Okay, look, I know that you can do it. Okay, you are going to complete the rainbow with the words from the list. Okay, remember that we have here the words. Okay, we have summer, rumor, rodent, pilots, command, macho, jerk, comfortable, whiskers, flooring, seatbelt, bounced. Okay, with these words, you are going to write the words along the rainbow, like this example. Okay, from longest, okay, to shortest. Okay, if some words have the same amount of letters, you can choose which one to write first. The first and the last ones have been done for you. Okay, we have comfortable, seatbelt, whiskers. Okay, flooring, bounced, command. Okay, module, rodent, and summer. Pilots, rumor, jerk. Okay, excellent. Now in this other part, write 10 words from the list backward, okay, and forward. Okay, we have here an example. Summer, okay, backward, summer, okay. This is forward and this is backward, okay. If you have any questions, please remember that we won't work on this part. Won't. Okay? If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Remember, don't worry. Be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.